tried, and I've tried even more. I cried, and I can't recall what for. I pressed, I pushed, I yelled, I begged in hopes of some success, but the inevitable fact is that you never will impress.
This is going to be Bear versus air compressor. He's not scared of the air compressor's noise, but I'm going to cut the noise out for the camera and just use the air compressor's air to play with them. Now this is Bear versus air compressor. Okay, I gotta refill it up, but I'm gonna turn it on to show you that he's not scared of the noise, so be prepared for the loud noise. But I'm gonna let you hear that, see that. I got a cereal box here. There's some cereal in here. Guess who wants to stick his head in a box? That's right, the bear does. He wants to stick his head in a box. You ready to do this, Bear? Stay. Wait. Okay, get it. He likes that cereal. Oh, not that kind. That's just the empty cereal box that we have. That's not the kind of cereal we actually put in it. Look at him with his head in the box. Did you get it all, baby? Not yet? Bebe, did you enjoy that? You want to tear up the box now? Get the box. Get it, Bebe. Have a treat and a toy in all in one, huh? Get it, Bear. You done tore up a lot of boxes on here. Oh, he done put a hole in it. Bebe, you tore up a lot of boxes. Say goodbye before you tear it up the rest of the way. Bebe. Say bye. Bebe. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Hey, can you say bye? Can you say bye? There you go. Good boy.